Good morning from Brasov again. Today we have some 1946 Chief cases in a quite nice condition, but we have a big broken ear over here. So I will show you how I restored this, how I weld it back, and after I will take it to machining to have again a nice surface. Most of the people are afraid they're not doing this kind of weldings because they are afraid this plan will get damaged, but I tell you something, it is already damaged anyway. Oops, it survived. From all the years of tightening, they get deformed, so everywhere where the screws are, the cases are higher. I had a nice condition case on my engine. I didn't do that surface planning and the oil is flowing out, so no matter if you weld it or not, the surface will not be straight if you don't machine it. So fingers crossed on this repair. Let's see how that is. I could see a new crack over here that was starting this, so I will remove it and re-weld it. It's a very fine one. It's hard to see. I think only from this side it can be seen. Waiting for a long time to use my bicycle for doing that. Fits perfectly in. Let's see what's inside the oven. It is good. I preheat them a bit before welding. Hi there guys. So second welding day. I was out of battery in the morning. I just wanted to show you what my progress was. I was finishing up this ear that I was welding today. I was rechecking all places that I was welding, grinding them just a little bit so the machine has to work a little bit less. And the gearbox also had a broken ear here that I was welding it back. And now I want to go to the machine and spin the gearbox and make this surface here nice and straight. Another thing I want to do on the machine is rotate the crankcase and rectify all the weldings I made, and also be sure it's a plan surface over here. I will show you a close-up of how it looks. This is just a rough surface now. After I drill the hole, I will sand it and make it nicer than this. This is how the rough repair of the gearbox looks like. I will do the rest after spinning and surfacing this over here. So let's go to the machinist and see what he can do for us.
Că i-au îndepărtat țarismul, au îndepărtat aia, o pulă, bă, dar au venit alte și coduri, mai mari decât țariștii ăștia. Și acum aici deformarea, uite, e deformat, că aici atinge, aici nu. Foarte puțin mai trebuie luat.
Some kind of way out of here. Send a joker to the thief. There's too much confusion. I can't get no relief. Businessman, drink my wine. Come.
Pare bine.
Fix.
Back from the machinist with great results. This is how the planning looks like. Also on the inside, I still have to finish it a little bit so you cannot see this was machined or welded. The gearbox also looks fantastic. This was all broken off. So now I will go down and grind it a little bit better. Now I was successfully cleaning this welding areas here, and now I just wanna fill this edge here nice and constant. So I will use 120 grit sandpaper and just easily yes, that is exactly what I wanted.
Dig my herb. Not on the level, but on the line. Nobody knows what it's worth. Yeah. No reason to get excited. The thief kindly spoke.
So that's it with the case's repair. It's not finished. I have already around 8 labor hours on this ear to weld and another small things that you saw I was doing. What I want to do next coming days is to mount the cases together and make the surfaces here match better on what I welded, also on the original castings, because they are also not the best fitment. They look like a matching pair, but I didn't see any numbers on it. So probably I will have to also lap the cases together and clean the threads, make this other hole on the gearbox, but all this in the coming videos. Thank you for watching. I will make a close video on what I have repaired. This looks nice here. I'm also considering to sandblast the engine cases, gearbox cases, all aluminum cases before mounting them together. That will be in some time from now, but I consider to paint it black maybe, and all with nice new screws. Should look very good for a hot rod engine. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something.